Hello everybody. I just passed through a security and screening, so I'm heading off to my gate on a domestic flight within Canada. And right now I'm at the Vancouver International Airport. So just take a raw look at the airport, so to speak. The airport's actually located in Richmond, British Columbia, Canada. It's the suburbs of Vancouver. So about a 20-minute train ride into Vancouver, British Columbia. And here we go. So we got Lululemon. Looks over here to our right. And some more gates over to our left. And Coastal News. Last minute items. I say always try to get prepared. It's always more expensive. You have to buy things at the airports. Okay. Air Canada Lounge. Pacific Farm Market. Get some snacks. So very particular. These snacks are, I guess they're going to be all from Canada. Also the gifts as well. Yeah, this is really practical. I love lavender. Really good to relax. We've got some drinks. Anybody need honey?
Okay, well,
Some salads. Celebrate the best of the Pacific Northwest. Very relaxing. So in the background, see if you can see all the different planes. Air Canada, Air Transat. Another one in the background. Farm to Flight. Some more pop up with great offers. Duty free shopping. Okay, so there are some people going at international flights. We're on the domestic side of the airport, but there are people traveling to the domestic side. You do obviously have to have a ticket for an international flight, or not, you're not going to be going in that area. If you guys like spas. Beautiful weather. Definitely over, I was going to say outside the 20 Celsius. And here we go, Starbucks. If you've ever been to the Vancouver International Airport, please comment down below. And let people also know where are other places you've traveled to.
But I mean, I know that.
So souvenirs, more drinks. If you're curious about the prices, I can show you over here. So tuna fish sandwich, $10.29. Also milk, cheese, sandwiches. Also, that's very important. We've also getting vitamin pills as well. Quick. Do. Monk's Grill. Oh wow. Brooks Brother. Nice clothing shop. Brooks Brother does athletic wear? Wow, I didn't know that. Pretty color. I think everyone's heading off to a flight down that way. Another absolute spa. And Roger's Chocolates. We'll take a peek in here. They are famous for these wonderful creams. I actually bought a whole box, different flavors. I think maple cream is one of my favorites. One of the Roger's Chocolates actually has the marble counter, part of the marble counter that in Victoria they used to work on. And over here we get another bookstore area. Now we're heading towards the food courts. My flight isn't for a while. True Burger, rice tails. The Dirty Apron. Woo-hoo-hoo. So in case you're curious about some of the prices. Play area. Want to get some drinks? Okay. And I'm just going to show you out here, international side.
We may not be able to accommodate all carry-on baggage on Air Canada Flight 344 with service to Ottawa. Customers who would like to volunteer to have their carry-on baggage checked to their final destination are asked to see the gate agent at this time.
Nous ne pourrons peut-être pas accepter tous les bagages de cabine à bord du vol Air Canada 344 à destination de Ottawa. Les clients qui souhaitent se porter volontaires pour faire enregistrer leurs bagages de cabine jusqu'à la destination finale sont priés de s'adresser dès maintenant à l'agent de port.
There is another part of the domestic area, I believe, where there's also Tim Hortons. Joe and Juice. And another newsstand.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the final boarding call for Air Canada Flight 210 with service.
Great. Thank you so much for watching my video. My other traveling tip is go to the dollar store before to stock up on your snacks. Just don't bring any drinks with you. Get the drinks here. And have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching my video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun videos as well. Take care. Cheers.